Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing great at your home. Let me introduce you myself first before starting the session. I am Saalik, your maths tutor. So students, let's quickly start today's session now. So in this session, I am just going to teach you introduction to trigonometry, or we can say basics of trigonometry. So students, this is very interesting chapter of the grade 10 CBSE board. So before starting the session, let me tell you the meaning of trigonometry first. What is the trigonometry? Students, trigonometry is a word derived from two Greek words, trigonon and metron. So you can see what is written over here, tri, tri. Tri means 3. Tri means 3, and from this 3 the sense is triangle. And next is gono, or we can say gon. Gon means sides or angles. And next is metry. Metry means measurement. Together we can say that trigonometry is nothing but triangles measurement. How to measure triangle? We can measure triangle in two ways. Either measure the sides of triangle or just find out the angles in triangle. Angles means interior angles in triangle. Whenever I used word triangle in this chapter, whenever I use the word triangle, it means I am talking about right angle triangle. I am talking about right angled triangle. So what is trigonometry basically? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deals in relationship between angles and sides of right angle triangle. Interior angles and sides of right angled triangle is called trigonometry. Sides and angles. Students, I am using the word angle again and again. I am using the word angle again and again over here. So what is the meaning of angle here? Students, the sense of angle is nothing but acute angle. You know very well, in right angle triangle, one angle is right angle and other two angles are acute angle. So here I am talking about acute angles, and that acute angles is denoted by, theta. Students, what is theta? Theta is nothing but a Greek letter, just like alpha, beta, x, y, z, a, b, c, just like only there is theta, and this theta is the hero of the trigonometry. Students, this is theta, just like x, y, z, ram, sham, just like only this is theta. Alright, theta is nothing but a Greek letter. Alright, so students, I am sure you know the basic meaning of trigonometry. But the main question is that why we are studying trigonometry? What are the uses of trigonometry? Students, so let's discuss some applications or real life examples of trigonometry, uses of trigonometry. So let's jump into a scenario. Students, a very interesting scenario is here on the screen. The missing ship has been spotted. Students, this is the missing ship, and this ship is far away from the lighthouse. You can see the lighthouse. So with the help of trigonometry, we can find the distance between ship and foot of the lighthouse. Now some of you are saying that so we can find out this distance by Pythagoras theorem. So you are absolutely right, we can find it by Pythagoras theorem, but for Pythagoras theorem we should know two sides. If we know two sides of a right angle triangle, we can find the third one with the help of Pythagoras theorem. But in trigonometry, if you have only one side or one angle, then you can easily find other sides with the help of trigonometry. Don't worry at all, I will tell you how, I will explain you in detail how to deal with that. But before that, let's see, students, how to find this. Let's see over here. Students, this is a right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. If we know the side of this lighthouse, height of the lighthouse and side of the triangle, I want to say. So, if height of this lighthouse is 10 meter, you can easily find the distance of ship from the foot of lighthouse with the help of trigonometry. But you should know the angles also. Which angle? Whenever I use the word triangle, I mean right angle triangle, and when I use word angle, I mean acute angle. So, you should know either this angle or this angle. Students, no need to worry at all. I will tell you how. I will explain you how to deal trigonometry, how to find these certain length with the help of trigonometry in the same lecture only. So, no need to worry about that. But as of now, let's see some more applications, some more uses. Students, some more important uses and applications of trigonometry are here. We can find the height of the monument, we can find the distance of a ship from a lighthouse, as I told, height of the glacier also we can easily find, and we can find the altitude of the flight, altitude of this flight. So, students, there is vast variety of application of trigonometry in daily life, real life. All right, I hope you understood this very well. So, let's continue the journey of trigonometry now. Students, you know from grade 9 only what is right angle triangle, correct? And what is hypotenuse? You know very well about that. The side opposite to right angle in right angle triangle is hypotenuse, right? The side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse, clear? But suppose you are in grade 9 only and I ask you what is base. So, you can easily say that, sir, this is base, yes or no? And I ask what is perpendicular. So, you can say that, sir, this is perpendicular. Base is also called adjacent, and perpendicular is called opposite, correct? Yes, this is a knowledge you know very well. This is the things you know very well from grade 9 only. So, you just stand here and according to you, you can say this is base and this is perpendicular. But if I said to you, stand here like this and tell me which is base. So, now you can say that, sir, this is base and this is perpendicular. And you know very well, side opposite to 90-degree angle is always hypotenuse. So, this is according to you in grade 9, when you are in grade 9. All right. So, students, what's happening over here? You can see the base and perpendicular are swapping. In first case, this is base. In second case, this is base. In first case, this one is perpendicular, but in second case, this one is perpendicular. So, why it is happening? So, students, here the concept of trigonometry ends. Let me tell you how, students. Let me tell you one important thing. As I told you in trigonometry, theta is very important. Acute angle is the hero of the trigonometry. So, here if this is theta, students, if this is theta, so side opposite to angle consideration is called perpendicular or opposite. So, side opposite to this angle is perpendicular. And you know very well, side opposite to 90 degrees always hypotenuse and it will never change. So, remaining side will be base. But if I say this is the angle consideration, so side opposite to angle consideration is called perpendicular. Side opposite to angle consideration is called perpendicular. Side opposite to 90 degrees always hypotenuse and the third side, remaining side will be base. Students, a perpendicular is also called perpendicular is also called opposite, and base is also called adjacent. I hope you understood this very well. So now you know very well how to check which side is perpendicular and which side is base. It's totally depend on our hero theta. Side opposite to theta is perpendicular, and side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse, which will never change. All right. So students, let's start the core concept of trigonometry, trigonometric ratios. So in the family of trigonometry, there are 6 members, and name of the members are ratios, trigonometric ratios, and that members are sine, S-I-N-E, sine, and this is abbreviation, sine, cos, tangent. You know very well about the word tangent, but the abbreviation is tan. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. Understood? So these are 6 members in trigonometry, and they are meaningless. They are meaningless in absence of theta, right? They are only meaningful with theta. So they are sine theta, cos theta. Here theta is A, angle is A, so we can say sine A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A, cot A. Students, you should learn this order: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, right? So what are the formulae of these trigonometric ratios? So let me tell you the formulae. Sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is perpendicular upon base. And students, let me tell you one more important thing, which is reciprocal relationship. Sine is reciprocal to cosec, cot is reciprocal to sec, and tan is reciprocal to cot. So if sine A is P upon H, so cosec A will be H upon P, hypotenuse upon perpendicular. If cos is B upon H, so sec is H upon B. And if tan is P upon B, then cot is B upon P, because sine and cosec both are reciprocal to each other, cos and sec both are reciprocal to each other, tan and cot both are reciprocal to each other. Understood? So let's see, students, how to learn these formulae. Students, they are so much confusing. They may create confusion in your mind. So let me tell you one simple and important and easy trick to remember these formulae, and that trick is called mnemonics. Students, mnemonics means a simple way to learn something. So that mnemonics is very interesting, very easy. Peter borrow pen. Peter borrow pen. How he borrow. Just learn this. Peter borrow pen. How he borrow. Just learn this, students. Peter borrow pen. How he borrow. Yes, so interesting. And you should know the order also. What is the order? Order is so simple. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. You should know this order as well. So students, how this mnemonics works, just pay attention over here. You can see, students, P upon H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, sine, right? B upon H, cos, P upon B, tan. Understood? I am sure that you understood this very well. P upon H, sine, B upon H, cos, P upon B, tan. And if you know sine, cos, tan, you can easily knew that cosec, sec, and cot, because these are reciprocal of other three. Understood? In this way you can easily learn this. So let's move ahead now. Let's solve one question, students. I am sure that you understood all these things very well. So let's check your knowledge. Let's solve this question now. So question is here on the screen. In triangle ABC, whenever we use the word triangle, it means right angle triangle. So in triangle ABC, AB equal to 13 cm, BC equal to 12 cm, and ABC equal to theta, means angle consideration is this one. you have to find the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta. So let's see how to solve this question, students. So students, we will solve this 3-mark question in 3 different steps, right? Because we should know how to take advantage of step marking. So let's see the first step. Very first step is that find the side AC, because we don't know the formula of sine and cos as of now. So we have all 3 sides. We have all 3 sides in order to solve any question of trigonometry. The very first task is to find out all the sides. So we have 2 sides. Just find a third side. If you have 2 sides of right angle triangle, you can easily find a third one with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So find the third side AC. Let's see how to find that. In triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of other 2 sides of right angle triangle. So hypotenuse, side opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse. So students, AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square, correct? AB square 13 square, BC 12, AC we don't know. So 13 square 169, 12 square when come left hand side, it will come under subtraction. So 169 minus 144. 144 is nothing but 12 square, and we are remain with AC square. 169 minus 144, you will get 25. So AC square is 25. AC equal to under root 25. When you open this under root, you will get plus minus 5, but side cannot be negative. So AC is nothing but 5 centimeter, right? We know AC 5 centimeter now. Now we have all 3 sides. We can easily find the value of sin theta and cos theta. Find the value of sin theta and cos theta in second step, and in third step just put these values in this required equation, not equation, required expression. All right. Okay. So how to find sin theta? Students, we know very well. Peter borrow pen, how he borrow. The first one is sine. The formula of sine is P upon H, right? So let's see. We know that sin theta, this is theta, students. Sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? Side opposite to this angle is called perpendicular. This is perpendicular. Side opposite to 90 degree hypotenuse, and the remaining one is base. So perpendicular is 5 centimeter, or you can say AC, and base is, sorry, hypotenuse is AB. AC by AB. So what is AC? AC is 5. What is AB? 13. 5 upon 13. And students, these are ratios, so these are unitless, right? 5 upon 13 is sin theta. Now find cos theta, students. Cos theta equal to the second one. You should know the order. Base upon hypotenuse. Right, in short, base upon hypotenuse. Base is 12, hypotenuse 13. So sin theta is 12 by 13. Sin theta is 5 by 13, and cos theta is 12 by 13. Now substitute the values in the required expression. Yes, sin theta is 5 by 13, cos theta is 12 by 13. We have to find the value of sin square theta. Therefore, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 5 by 13 plus 12 by 13. Denominators are same, so just add the numerator and no change in denominator. 12 and 5, students, this is square, right? So what is the 5 square? 25 upon 13 square is 169, 12 square is again is 144, 13 square is again 169. Denominators are same, so just add the numerator. 25 plus 144, 25 plus 144 is 169. 169 divided by 169 divided by 169, the answer will be 1, right? So in this way we can solve this question and we can take the advantage of step marking as well. So this question is complete. So students, let's solve one poll question now. I will give you one question with two options and you have to click on the right option. So let's see, two options are here on the screen. And what is the question? If the value of sine theta is 4 by 5, find the value of cosec theta. So let's solve this question, students. What is given? What is given over here? Sine theta. Sine theta equal to 4 by 5 and we have to find the value of cosec theta. Students, as I told you, the reciprocal relationship. Sine cos tan, cosec sec cot. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta. So we know cosec theta equal to 1 upon sine theta. 1 upon sine theta. Sine theta is 4 by 5. 1 upon 4 by 5 will be 5 by 4. So cosec theta equal to 5 by 4. It means B option is the correct option. So let's check the correct answer. Yes, students, we are absolutely right. 5 by 4 is the correct option. So if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. As I told you, this is the basics of trigonometry. So this lecture, this chapter consists of 3 lectures and we are done with first lecture, basic part of it. If you have any problem, any queries, you can tell me regarding that. I will address your doubts. So I think there is no doubts. It's very good. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching. My name is Saalik. Thankful to you to watch this video. Bye bye.